So hey guys, my name is Yash Bansal and carrying out my second year in field of BSc Animation and Multimedia. So this is a video for declamation contest carried out by Career and Counselling Cell YMCA. So among the two topics, I have chosen the first topic, the Atmanirbhar Bharat topic. Okay. So in this field, I will try to explain how you can become Atmanirbhar or suggest you some field jobs. Okay, and also express my views on the same. Okay, so as you know, this quarantine put a big question on our physical presence in the field. Okay, so now every company is trying to shift their work from physical to digital. Okay, so this comes the digital era, the new and the safe era. Okay, so what I say is always choose a field which is digitally dominant. Okay, fields like app development, website development, or animation multimedia field also that are digitally dominant. Okay, so what are their benefit is these fields are not affected by pandemics like coronavirus pandemic. Okay, these are not affected by it. All you have to do is even if this another pandemic hit India, then you are safe. You are on the safer side. Okay, like yeah, another pandemic like coronavirus is also going on, and you know every field is disturbed, but there's a still growth is happening in these fields because all you need to you can also work from home. Okay, and these do not require much of your physical presence in the company. You can do your work by sitting idle on your laptop and working on the same without affecting your salary. Okay, so let's jump on to the. I'm not much aware of this app development field or website development field, but I can give you an overview of my field that I'm carrying, the animation and multimedia field. Okay, so animation not just only about these. Some people like says all about cartoons and caricatures, etc. So it is not just that. This is animation and multimedia. That multimedia part is also very huge beyond my imagination. Okay, so let me. What I like about this field is like we have animation field, animation branch. Then we have different subject in that: the video editing, the graphic designing, the 3D modeling, etc. Okay, and in these subfield we have tons of job, etc. So there's a huge scope and money in this field and branch. Okay, like suppose you have to carrying out like I'm carrying out animation, and then I'm going to carry out my work in the video editing field. Then in video editing I have lot of options to like editing video. Okay, then color grading, this is color grading. Okay, and in color grading then we have VFX also, and then tons of job, etc. Okay, so this is a huge and very field. So what I say is always choose field that is digitally dominant. If you have chosen some field that requires a physical, that's okay, but it's always better to be work on a digitally dominant field. Even this digital field is not just limited to these jobs also, like graphic design job and video editing jobs. No. It's this digital era is very evolving very much. Okay, like even if you started an Instagram page or YouTube channel, then you stick to it, work hard, even then you can earn a lot of money and earn your living in with a huge amount. You have seen YouTubers earning so much money, Chanslani, etc. Except the PUBG streamers, they are now jobless. So they are making huge amount of money, and even if you start an Instagram page, stick to it, then you got promotions, you got sponsorship, you either ads are running on Instagram page that gives you a huge amount of money. Okay, so all this field, okay, makes you Atmanirbhar in this pandemic situation. You don't have to rely on going to office daily and risk your life from corona. Okay, or you can sit idle and work work and earn money without affecting your salary. Okay, so that's it for it. A short video and simple description. I hope you like it.